Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at WeRide stock. So WRD, the ticker symbol. Now what's going on with this thing? This thing gapped up massively, made huge moves all the way to $44 one day, 17.25 from there all the way to 44, right? So we had a news that, or the filing that what Nvidia is doing is um, Nvidia has invested in WeRide, and that's what 13F filing shows that it holds over 1.7 million shares in the company. Look, Nvidia did that in the SoundHound AI as well and one another stock, and it pulled out of it. Those stocks collapsed. So as we'll take a look at technicals, yeah, we'll that's all good stuff, right? We'll make the money through the technicals. We'll take a look at what the price action is doing and telling us. But what I want to point out is that take it just as a momentous game, or game of momentum and the technicals. All right, one day if things doesn't look like Nvidia has its investment in WeRide, well, the stock may just completely collapse with no warning, right? And these filings are a little bit delayed. It's not that when Nvidia is selling off or buying, that's when the filings are filed. There are times that, right, and they have some period that when they file these filings. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now, I'm not going to go into much detail of what the company does. WeRide, I'm going to talk about the technicals because that's how we make the money. Now, yes, it's massively gapped up. Technically, it's technically in the bullish structure overall. However, we are these pullbacks that we are going through. It's definitely we gotta see on the lower time frame that what is the price action telling us. And on WeRide right now, in the near term, we are in the downtrend. We have lower highs already and lower lows. So don't expect much out of it in a way that we're just continuing straight up from here. Right now, no. Intraday, we're in the downtrend. If overall structure still has to hold, we'll have to see where this pullback is completing itself, right? And right now, well, from where we are, if we don't break further below and we can get above the level like $36, then sure, some upside is again possible. However, if we break below 32 and 73 cents, that opens up the doors to the zone of $27.57. All right. So there's a room of this to still fall. All right. So yes, we had massive runs. Right now, though it's not in an uptrend, we do have a break of a structure, and also thus constituting now a lower high. So, and we have a lower trend line also running right now, right away. So definitely the thing is that if you are planning to invest into it or buy into it or trade it, I would suggest just trade it rather than investing into it. I won't suggest, because again, intraday can turn into swing, and swing can be held on to long term some of the position, but you'll have to wait for a proper uptrend. Right now we are not in a proper uptrend. All right, so let's turn on my another tool, and you can see right where. And if you need access to these tools, guys, links in the description of this video. All right, and also 50 plus stocks coverage. So this is where we broke the structure, right? And you can see thereafter we are right. So we'll have to wait when my tools turns green first of all, or as I said, level for near term we can watch 36 and above. If we can get above it, some strength may start to form intraday only for now, but otherwise you can also wait for coming to the cloud. We'll see if it consolidates at the cloud, but level as we lose below, so that will bring us a level lower, right? So anyways, that's all I have on WeRide. Actually, it's not a complicated game. Yes, it's gapped up massively. It's selling off at the top there, but and now near term we are already, as I just showed you on the hourly interval, we are downtrending. So we'll overall structure technically, since we are in the bullish structure, even though it's a red candles, I get it, but it's still a bullish structure, and it's all about when the intraday pullbacks will complete themselves and start to turn an uptrend. That will mark that overall structure pullback is completed. But it's just such a massive gap up, we might see some cool off happens and all of that. Little bit, this revelation sent WeRide's valuations skyrocketing. Shares closed the day. This is on this is yesterday, but we had the move going in on this thing since Friday. So WeRide specializes in autonomous driving technology. The company has developed an extensive portfolio of self-driving solutions, including robotaxi and autonomous ride-hailing service, RoboBus, a self-driving bus for urban mobility, RoboVan, a logistic-focused autonomous vehicles, RoboSweeper, an AI-powered street cleaning vehicle, and advanced driving solutions for urban logistics and environmental sanitation. Headquartered in Guangzhou, China, WeRide aims to be at the forefront of smart mobility and revolutionize transportation with cutting-edge AI technology. Nvidia and WeRide's long-standing partnership. So let's take a look at a little bit into this as well. And see, they talk about SoundHound AI effect as well. So let's take a look at that, right? While Nvidia's recent disclosure of its stake in WeRide caught investors' attention, their partnership is not new. WeRide's IPO prospectus states, "We have been working with Nvidia since 2017 when Nvidia became our early stage investor. The partnership has since expanded." So it's a good sign that it's not just recently, it's long term. The partnership has since expanded to include adoption of multiple NVIDIA products such as cloud-based GPU clusters and NVIDIA's Drive Xavier system on a chip. We plan to leverage the power of NVIDIA Drive Orin SoC to accelerate the deployment and blah, blah, blah. So SoundHound AI effect. Although NVIDIA's position in WeRide is small relative to its overall market capitalization, it holds significant implication for WeRide. A similar scenario played out with SoundHound AI, as I just said in the beginning of this video. When NVIDIA's stake, and you can see it's collapsing, SoundHound, because they pulled out NVIDIA. When NVIDIA's stake in SoundHound was revealed, the stock surged as much as 200% throughout the last year. However, when NVIDIA sold its position on Friday, shares of SoundHound plummeted by over 28% in a single day. This highlights a key risk. When NVIDIA backing can boost confidence, it doesn't guarantee long-term support. If NVIDIA decides to sell its stakes, the stock could experience substantial volatility. So that's the thing. And here, so this is something to keep in mind. However, this is WeRide. However, company's revenue generation remains modest. In its most recent quarter, WeRide reported revenue of just 10 million, a mid-single-digit decline from the previous year. While Nvidia's continued support is bullish, some investors might want to proceed with a degree of caution. So that's the thing. That if you're going with the proper valuation, then again, as I said, it's just traded based off of the technicals. That's the best way to do it, like all other stocks. And if the strength continues, you can carry on to those positions long term as well, slowly and slowly, but you have to build them when the confirmation of bullish strength has started to come. All right, that's all I want to talk about on the WeRide side of the things, guys. Hope you found it helpful, valuable. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the details on trading tools and also 50+ stocks coverage if you're interested in all of that. Description has all the links to the details. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.